Yo guys, what is up? So, I am back and I am starting a new series where I do adventures, so this is gonna be Forgotten Desert Adventure series where I do with a load of people, so I record every Forgotten Desert Adventure I do. Well, almost. Anyway, as you can see, we are like halfway into the adventure and I'm lagging really bad. The lag is just like the best. I need a drink. I just had my hair cut and it's turned on, right? God's sake, no purple. Are you being serious? Learn it. Don't be sarcastic. Oh my god, I'm talking about the gem. Learn it. Right. Dude, I'm recording. That's so funny. That person. Dude, I'm recording. Don't be sarcastic with me. Because it really makes me... Is she really that stupid? Oh my god, I'm talking about the gem. Right, where is that person? Award of the year goes to Alyssa. I'm gonna block. I wish there was an option where we could report people for being annoying. Looks like someone just did the big waterfall. So we should really get out of here. It is making me lag. Oh yes, we found green. What did we get? Really? That's got to be like one of the worst prizes I've actually ever had. I'm going to take a photo of them because my followers actually said take I need to get normal camera up, not Instagram. So, just taking a photo, guys. I declined that because that is in the show. Sorry about losing my £10. I ain't bullying her, just so you know. just state the fact that I was talking about the gem and not calling her purple. That's made me laugh so much. I just had a haircut and my hair's gone ombre. I love it. Anyway, this lag has got to be like the best lag ever. Sarcastic. I was only joking. You know what I mean? Just thought I'd say, dude, I'm recording. One of them actually looked like a horse, but this one might look like a seagull. A seagull! They need to bring seagulls to Animal Jam. I'm joking, they're hearing you like. We're gonna discuss the theory soon. So, you know. Also, if you want a Minecraft series, just tell me down in the comments, because I will do a Minecraft series. We found blue! What did we get? Red Vicodin, that's pretty decent, so I'll keep that. Take a picture of it. That's okay, I guess. I think that's a clothing bait, I'm not sure. Oh, we got yellow as well. What did we get? Tiki mat? Oh, scary mat. I hope that we actually do get Spike. Because I've been wanting a Spike for God knows how long. Like, I know I've got a Spike on, like, a lava Spike, but that's not rare. It's a diamond ball one, and I just really want a Spike. Like a rare Spike. I do have a rare peach shield, but I'm giving it away. So, you know. Boop, 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 boop. Oh my god, I really want a Spike right now. Where is it? I dropped the bottle. My question is, why ain't my friend helping me? I might do white on my own. I got added? Ooh. I really need that singing like Mikey or Oh, where are they? We don't find it, I'm gonna cry. Don't know, but I feel like we're not gonna find it. Well, guys, I'll probably, yeah, you know. So, not even found one. It won't, it's not helping with my lag, to be honest. Missed call from private number 3 hours ago. We need one more. We're not gonna find it. no, we ain't gonna find it. That was an utter fail, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. You're gonna expect more. So yeah, see you later, guys. Bye.